If you want a quick way to launch one of your GOG games from your desktop, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to create a shortcut in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you don't want to open the GOG app every time, and it's also a great way to keep your favorite games easy to access. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG and look at the left-hand menu. From there, click Installed. This will show you all of the games that are currently installed on your computer. Next, find the game you want to create a shortcut for and select it. Once the game is selected, look for the filter icon and click it. After that, choose Manage Installation. This is where you'll find tools for locating the game files on your computer. Inside the installation options, click Show Folder. This will open the folder where the game is installed. Now you need to locate the app executable file. This is usually the main file that launches the game, and it's often labeled as an application file or ends with .exe. Once you find it, right-click on the executable file. If you're using Windows 11 and you don't see all the options right away, click Show More Options. This opens the full classic right-click menu. From there, move your mouse over, Send To, and then choose Desktop, which will say Create Shortcut. As soon as you click it, Windows will place a shortcut on your desktop for that game. Now, you can launch it directly anytime without going back into GOG first. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for your GOG game. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.